Hey you guys, thanks for coming to this video. I just wanted to show you guys a way to use makeup you already have, make your makeup look simpler, make your makeup easier to do, easier to travel with, and just something that I think is a good idea. So if you guys want to see that, let's get into it. So one really important thing about makeup is that there are no rules. I know a lot of people like to say there are rules, you have to use this for this, you have to do that for that, but really when it comes down to it, you can do whatever you want for your makeup. You can use whatever products you want, you can use whatever tools you want, you can use a product for something it's not meant for, you can use different brushes for different things, like you can do whatever you want. So I think that's really cool. I wanted to talk about using products in a way that they're not meant for, but can be an easier way. It could save you money, it could save you space if you're traveling, thinking about it in a different way like that. I think sometimes we get caught up in the makeup world. Everybody wants 100 eyeshadow palettes. You want everything, but it's really not budget friendly to be buying all this makeup all the time. If you really just think about the different colors that you already have and different ways of using things that you already own, so you don't need to go out and buy all this stuff all the time. I think that's just a better, smarter way to think about makeup. For me, I mean, I already have a ton of eyeshadow palettes, but this could help if I'm traveling and I just want to bring as little makeup as possible, so I'm not just, you know, because when I pack my makeup, it's a lot. Like I want everything. I'm like, what if I need this and what if I need that? Like, I don't pack that much clothes. I kind of have that down. I know what I wear and everything, but like for makeup, I just want to bring everything with me. It's really easy to just pack way too much makeup, and then wherever you're traveling, it's just everywhere. It looks like it exploded on the counter. So I think a great way to save space and save money is to use your bronzer or contour shades and highlights as eyeshadows. So instead of having, you know, all these different eyeshadow palettes and all these different bronzers and all these different highlights, you can just invest in one of these like face palettes, which every brand has some. This one is the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. So this one's all matte. So you have the 3 contour shades and 3 highlight shades. So if you want an all matte look, this is really nice. And you do get a more variants of shades with the bronzers or the contour shades. Contours, bronzers, kind of the same thing but kind of different. So I really like that. I also have the Tarteist Pro Glow. This one's got 2 bronzers, 2 highlights, and even 2 blushes. So that one can be really nice because you already have your blush in there and everything. So just saves space, saves money. The one I'm going to use today is the PUR Sculptor. This is a bronze and highlight palette. So we have the 2 bronzer shades and then the 2 highlights. PUR has some of the best highlights. They're so creamy and buttery. They're just a dream. I love them. So I'm going to use this one today. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. But I think it's just a lot easier to do that way, and you're saving space, saving money, saving time with your makeup because you don't have to decide what you're doing, and it's just going to be simple, everyday, neutral looks. You could do like a nice bright lipstick color instead and just change up your lipstick maybe and just do neutral eyes when you're traveling, and that's just going to save you so much time and space. Let's zoom you guys in and I'm going to show you how I would use this on my eyes. All right, now we're nice and zoomed in. I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush. This is a BMX 430 crease brush from Moda Pro. So it's just a bigger, fluffier brush. This is what I always start with. I'm going to go in with the lighter of the bronzer shades. This is called Inventor. So I'm just going to take that one and go into the crease. Okay, so once you have that kind of blended out in your crease, I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. This one is the Luxie Mini Tapered 121 brush. I'm going to go into the darker of the bronzer shades called Founder, and I'm just going to concentrate that more on the outer corner. Then blend it out with the first brush. I'm also going to take that first color and go under the eye with it. Then back in with that smaller brush. I'm not going to put any more eyeshadow on there, just going in with whatever's left to just bring it underneath, and then I just kind of bring it around and connect the top and bottom. Then I have these two highlight shades. One is just a tiny bit more golden. Can you even see that? One's like a little bit lighter and a little more pinky. So I'm going to use the lighter pinky one on the brow bone and the more golden one on the lid. I'm just going to do that with my fingers. Okay, and then I'm going to take that bigger brush and just kind of go on the edge of that shimmer, make sure it's blended out. Go in with that deeper shade just to deepen the outer corner a little bit more. Then taking just a flat shader brush, this one is the Moda Pro BMX 402. It's going with a little bit of that for a brow bone highlight. Also going to take that same shade in the inner corner. All right, then I need to go do some liner and lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, so here's the look with liner and lashes. And I mean, I just think it's so pretty. It's just nice and neutral. It's nothing too warm, nothing too cool, just easy, neutral, smoky eye. You could do a lot lighter if you want. You can not do lashes. You can make it even heavier and more intense if you want. I just think it's such a good way to use up the products that you probably already have, or even if you want to buy one of these palettes, I think it can do so much for you. All right guys, so that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I've been doing 3 videos a week, and ring the little notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. But yeah, let me know if you liked this video. I think it was fun. I like how it turned out, just nice and neutral, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.